Are you ever sitting at the park or dropping your kid off at school or camp and think, that mom looks like she has got her stuff together? And that is not me. I think we can all identify with feeling that way of watching somebody else look like they got it all together and wish that we did too. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I am a doctor of chiropractic, and also I'm the founder of the Happier Moms program, where I teach busy working moms how to get the peace back in their day. Being busy, running work and a family can be a lot for anyone, and especially people in today's age. And so I teach people, especially moms, how to take care of themselves and what that really looks like to create your ideal life. So today, to fold that in, to talk about why we have those feelings and how it can actually benefit us, I'm going to jump into it. So what that's called is mirroring. So when we see somebody that has something that we would want, for example, for material things, that person has a car that I want, that person has the bag that I want, that person has the kid that behaves that way and I want that, that person has, seems like they always look so put together and it looks effortless to them, I want that. So the really cool thing about that is we have these things in our brains that research is kind of coming up with a lot more now, discovering it. They're called mirror neurons. So when you mirror someone's behavior, or you surround yourself with people that have the same aspects, qualities, and things that you want in your life, when you watch it more, see it more, and see it in practice, you start to mirror it. An interesting way to see mirror neurons at work, now that they're in your consciousness, is if you're standing in a kitchen just talking to somebody and they stand a certain way, say they take their hand and like put it on their hip or whatever, and then you do it. That's a mirror neuron. Your brain tries to mirror what it sees. So if your brain sees happiness, calm, decreased stress and anxiety, your body will start to mirror that. Not in a way, well, also if you're in the conscious state that you're willing to see it, and meaning you're not jealous of that person, you're happy for them, and you also want what they want and what they have or seemingly have. So that's how mirror neurons work. You watch it, you see it, and then it starts to become your reality. So I want you to try to pay attention when you're standing and talking to somebody and see if you just happen to mirror their movements, or you notice like you want a certain kind of car and then it just like shows up on your feed in your phone. That's mirroring. So try to do that into practice. And if you need some space to get your mind right to think about this, click the link below that has a 5-minute guided meditation. It will get you in the right headspace to work on your mirror neurons and see if you can mirror what you actually want in your life as a busy working mom. Remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people, and I'm so happy that you're here.